Welcome to this educational session. Today we will explore a fundamental resource in the world of research and academia, Web of Science. Web of Science is a trusted citation database used by researchers, students, and professionals worldwide. It provides access to a wide range of scholarly articles, journals, conference proceedings, and more, across sciences, social sciences, arts, and humanities. Originally developed by the Institute for Scientific Information, or ISI, in the 1960s, Web of Science is now maintained and updated by Clarivate Analytics. It is not just a place to find articles. Web of Science helps users trace the influence and impact of research through citation tracking. In other words, it shows how a piece of research has contributed to later studies. At its core, Web of Science is a powerful tool for finding high-quality, peer-reviewed research analyzing the citation history of publications and evaluating the performance of authors, journals, and institutions. Web of Science covers multiple indexes. The most popular among them include the Science Citation Index Expanded, the Social Sciences Citation Index, the Arts and Humanities Citation Index, and the Emerging Sources Citation Index. It also includes regional databases and specialized collections like the Book Citation Index and the Conference Proceedings Citation Index. A key feature of Web of Science is its commitment to quality. Only journals that meet strict editorial standards are indexed, ensuring that users access reliable and influential content. In addition to basic search functions, Web of Science offers advanced analytics. For example, you can track an author's H-index, identify highly cited papers, and discover research trends over time. Today, Web of Science plays a crucial role in academic publishing, research funding, career evaluations, and institutional rankings. To access Web of Science, most users go through institutional subscriptions, such as universities, research centers, or public libraries. In short, Web of Science is not just a database, it is an ecosystem, connecting ideas, people, and discoveries across time and disciplines. Understanding how to use Web of Science effectively can open doors to better research, deeper insights, and greater academic success. Thank you for joining this session on Web of Science.